What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to activate a Chase credit card. It's going to be a quick video. Let's get straight into it. The first method is to do so with through online activation. So you want to visit the Chase website and sign into your account, and then you want to click on account actions and select activate card, and then you want to enter your credit card number, the expiration date, as well as the security code, and then just verify your identity by answering some security questions or providing additional documentations, and then just click activate to activate your credit card. That's how you do that on the online platform. The second method is to do so on the mobile app. So for mobile app activation, what you want to do is to download the Chase mobile app if you don't have that already. And if you do, just sign into your account and then tap account actions and select activate card. And then you just want to enter your credit card number, the expiration date, or the security code, and then just verify your identity by answering security questions or providing additional documentation, and then just tap activate to activate your credit card. Now for mobile phone activation, what you want to do is to call the Chase activation phone number, and that's the number right there on the screen, and then just follow the prompt to activate your credit card, and then you gotta enter your credit card number, expiration date, and security code, and just verify your identity by answering some security questions and providing additional documentations. So there are some requirements for activations, and the first of course is the card receipt. Now you must have received your credit card in the mail, because you're going to need the information written on the card for activation. So of course those informations are things like the credit card number, the expiration date, and of course the security code. So if you don't have the card received, then you're not going to be able to view those information. And of course the third is you're going to need to be able to verify your identity. Otherwise you're not going to be able to activate your card. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you found it useful. If you did, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends, and of course subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.